Hey family, today is the day we begin a 7-day vacation on one of Carnival's newest ships, the Carnival Mardi Gras. So to start this video off right, we're going to give you a room tour of where we stayed for the week. Hope you enjoy. We are on the Carnival Mardi Gras and we are in room 9497 on deck 9. We're going to give you a room tour. All right, so 9479 is a balcony room, and it's a pretty standard balcony. It looks like it sleeps probably at least 5, because I believe that's a pull-out couch, and up above, if we wanted to pull down a bed, we could. So it does sleep 5. But let's start in the room in our bathroom, which as soon as you come in the door, the bathroom's here. So it's a pretty standard bathroom, as you can see. Pretty standard, nice little sink area here with the shower over here. Some extra towels on this side. And then as you come out, on the opposite side from the bathroom is the closets. And so in the closet, there's just a hanger area up top. As you come on down, they have some shelving, some extra pillows down at the bottom. And that's the first wardrobe. And the second one has some additional hanger space and additional shelving. Your full-size safe is there, as well as the racks and other areas with pull-out drawers if you needed to. Additionally, on this is a mirror. So if you needed to look at yourself in the mirror, there is a full-size mirror right here inside of the closet. As you can see, there's a TV, a nice size TV right in front of the bed, welcoming me and Daryl, and a nice size bed. In addition to the bed, you have lights here on the side, and as soon as you pull it up, you can use it as a reading light. Both sides of the beds have this shelving area here, and the good thing about the light, in addition to that, is that you have the USB port. This is on both sides of the bed. The light switches are here in the middle of the bed to make it a little easier for you. And again, like I said, on the side, you can see an additional shelving unit, the light switch with the USB port. Here's that pull-out bed, and maybe later we'll try to show you how it pulls out. Yeah, you can see we're here with a group this time, Melanin Getaways, shout out to them. And this is a desk area. The desk area here with the ottoman that, as you can see, it's actually pretty heavy duty, but it comes out. It stores some extra linen. You can sit on it, or you can turn it over, and as you can see, it can be a little area for you to put things on if you desire to do that. But it's a nice area to sit on if you want to sit and eat here at the desk. There's some additional shelving. They do have a lot of plugs here, and not just they don't have the European. It looks like they only have the standard plugs that we're used to, as well as 4 USB ports, your telephone here, your shelving area, and some more drawer space with the refrigerator and chiller. I will say that it seems to be a little cooler than standard refrigerators, so that's a good thing. And here is the money shot. There's another light there, by the way, on the side. Here's the money shot. This is the balcony area. And that gives you the instructions on how to open the door. It's pretty simple. to that. I'm not gonna go too far out because there are people out and people are talking, so I don't want you to hear people's conversations. But here's our standard balcony with 2 chairs and a table. And we are, again, like I said, on deck 9, so we're over the Havana area. Not where you can hear the clubs, but you can see the pool area right there. And this is the size of the balcony. As you can see, pretty nice size balcony. It's very spacious. No complaints there. So that's it. This is room 9479 on deck 9. And there is your room tour. As promised, here is what that pull-out couch looks like. It's really simple. You pull one handle and it flips over into the bed.